Hello everybody, my name is Mark. Welcome to another one of my investing videos. And in this video I'm going to talk about, can you really grow a small account into a bigger account and make some decent returns? So if you've been watching my videos, then you'll know that back on September the 10th I bought one call option on Twitter. It was a $30 call option, and this is it right here. And at the time it was worth $777. Now the bid, let me close this out, the bid is $960, the ask is $1,050. So my call is up almost what, $250. And I'm gonna go to my YouTube channel. If I go to my YouTube channel, you'll see that on September the 10th, that's when I got all of this fun stuff started. So let me go ahead and find that video for you guys, and let me go to my videos right there. Now let me scroll down to September the 10th, and here it is right here. And stop the video there, and there you see it. How much money do you need to start trading options? And I like to do videos when I am doing things with my real money, because I don't think hardly anybody does that. Everybody does videos on how to buy and sell stock options, but nobody's actually doing any real investing. So I personally like to reveal my money. This is my TD Ameritrade, and you see back on September the 10th I had $2,430.69. Today is now October the 30th. So it's been what, 7 weeks, and in 7 weeks, let me go back to my TD Ameritrade. Let me close this puppy dog out, and so $2,430 is now up to $2,685.66, and that's because my $30 call option that I bought for $777 is now worth almost $1,000. And so I recently changed my strategy. I'm not doing calendar call anymore. Now I'm doing a strangle, and I closed all that out last Friday. I did a video on that, and so far the idea is working for me. I'm up another $80 today. Twitter had a nice move upward, and so I decided to sell a call option contract at the $35.50 price range, strike price. Let me go ahead, and here it is right here. So I got all of $20.29 for that. Now you may be scratching your head like, ooh, whoop-de-doo, right? You're making $20.29, but the thing you got to look at is $35.50. Okay, expires the 30th. That's in what, today's Tuesday, 3 days from now. So if Twitter does go to $35.50 or higher, guess how much this call option, this $30 call option, is going to be worth? You guessed it, it's going to be worth over $1,100, maybe even $1,200 if the implied volatility goes up. Implied volatility is one of the option Greeks. So that's why I'm selling this. And I think one of the takeaways that you should get from watching my videos is that when you're buying and selling stock options, you do not buy and hold. You don't do that. You are always selling calls, selling calls, selling calls. If you just buy and hold, buy and hold, buy and hold, hope you get lucky, you are playing a loser game, because stock options are decaying assets. They lose value over time. That's the reason why you never just buy and hold a call option or a put option contract. You are always buying and selling, buying and selling, and buying and selling. Now, if you want to be a buy and hold kind of a guy, then maybe you should get a money manager and put your money in a 401k and never think about your money again. But you get what you pay for. If you want to make the bigger returns like what you see me doing slowly, I'm not like doubling or tripling my money. I'm not making 10% a week, but I am up, what, let's see, 2,430, so what, $250? That's almost 10% in 2 months. So that's like almost 5% in a month, at least 4% in a month. If I can keep that up, I'll make a 48% return, and nothing to cry about there. And if I do make that 48%, then this $2,685 will be up to about $4,000 in about a year from now. So pretty happy with the way things are going right now. And again, my current position, I still own my $30 call that I bought back on September the 10th, but I bought to open this put contract, and let me go ahead and and go to the transaction again, show you where that happened, and here it is right there. $32 put option expires in 2021, not 2020, which means that I have 2 years and 2 months to pay for $767. I think I can handle that, don't you? So yes, you can take a small account and you can make some pretty decent returns. I don't think there's anything wrong with making $250 in the span of what, 7 weeks? Nothing in the world wrong with that. And just going to keep my money in there, going to keep on buying those calls and puts and selling calls and selling puts and selling calls and selling puts, and slowly build up my small account to maybe $5,000. And then, because we're talking compound interest, if I make another 50% on $4,000, let's say, then my $4,000 will turn into $6,000. And if I make 50% after that, I'll have $9,000. I mean, 50% return a year is pretty darn good, and you can only do that safely with stock options. I don't know anybody, even Warren Buffett doesn't make a 50% return buying and holding stock. He just has buku dollars. You know, if I was a billionaire, I'd probably just put it in the bank and just live off the half of a 1% interest in the bank, right? Maybe I'd buy treasury bonds. I'd get government bonds. I don't know what I'd do. Maybe real estate. Probably wouldn't even have to ever mess around with options again, but because I don't have that much money, I just have a little bit, then yes, I'm going to use time and leverage to give myself an advantage. And that's my edge as an investor, as a stock option trader that I have, that other people that don't buy and sell stocks options, they don't have that edge. Because when you buy a stock, there is no time and there is no leverage. There's no expiration, nothing. You just buy the stock and you hope you get lucky and you hope things go your direction. And if you're right, you know, you go out and you party and you celebrate. But if you're wrong, well, then we've all had those days. But those days can come to an end if you learn how to buy and sell stock options like what you see me doing. I'm just a small potato in a big farm that we call Wall Street. So thank you very much for watching my videos. Again, feel free to leave comments, whatever you want to leave. And have a lovely day. Any questions, leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.